introducing DynoTrade AI, the trading assistant which you need in your trading terminal. So right now, the DynoTrade AI supports on a couple of brokers, starting from Zerodha, Upstox, Groww, Dhan, TradingView, Fires, and then as you can see here, a couple of other brokers are yet to get released. So yeah, I mean, all you have to do is like just install this from the Chrome extension. The link is in the description, and then what you can do is just sign up and then log in, right? So we have multiple plans. The initial plan, what we are showing is like 499 for 100 searches, which dedicatedly, search only on the financial related stuff, right? So you can have your predefined prompt, and then the amount you want to deploy for your trading, and then the risk percentage, and then you can show the widget where you want to set it. Of course, we have a support. We are here to support anytime when you face any problem. You can just select from the category and then you can just fill your query. We will try to respond to you as soon as possible. Moreover, the news, now you can see a news directly from the news tab. As you can see here, the last news which has been crawled is 9:13. So you can just do a force refresh and you can see if there is any more news comes in, right? So with that being said, the predefined is that let's get into trading terminal. I'm using Dhan, right? So you can see a small icon which is been blinking here. You click on it, you will be seeing a chat widget. Here you'll have a prompt text where you can enter your prompt text, and you'll have an attach icon, so you can attach from your file if you have any file you want to analyze it, or like you can have a voice recording. Like instead of like you are being lazy to type this thing, you can record. Record can be any language, like let's say English, Hindi, any language you can record it, and then our AI will translate it and it will try to analyze what you're expecting. And this is for taking a snippet, right? Basically, like let's say you don't want to download the chart and then attach it, right? So on the fly I want to take a analysis. For example, this is the first video of DynoTrade AI. Let's do one thing. As you can see here, Command Shift K for Mac, Control Shift K for Windows. Let's press Command Shift K, right? The moment you press Command Shift K, automatically the snippet area will come in. You can drag and select the chart which you want to analyze. The moment you drag and select it, automatically it will come in here and you see the file attached. You're clicking on it, it will show you the chart, what you have taken a snapshot, right? Now, let's do one thing. I'll just cancel this one. Let us open this option chain also, right? Let's put this at this area, right? Now let's do one thing. What you can do is selecting the current month, current week contract. Let's now ask our AI to analyze. I just pressed a Command Shift K. I'm going to take a snap of complete chart till here, right? And you see here, I took a complete chart. What I'm going to do, I just fed my prompt. It's a predefined prompt. You can configure it here, right? As like here, what you can configure, the same thing will happen. You can also override it, right? So you can just do override and you can do the changes here, right? So you can edit it and then you can type it, right? So you see here, like you being a financial analyst in Indian market, produce a short report of intraday possibilities in percentage for Nifty, right? So that like based on this, we'll take it, right? Let's send it, right? So as you see here, once the message is being sent, you can see the same image is being show up here. And then, it takes some time because it will analyze the real-time news, it will analyze your complete data, and then it will give you the probability. As you can see here, it took 14 seconds, right? So it says, the probability, you can just read the complete analysis here. What it says is like, current market condition and the technical analysis, volatility, market sentiment. It says upside 40%, downside 45%, flat is 15%, which means like the highest probability, it might either go flat, because you see it's a mixed feeling, right? So 40% and 45%, there is no proper trend. So in this situation, what I would preferably do is like option sell. So what I'd be doing, let's take any out of the money contract. For example, it's 45% down, high probability of 45%, right? So which means I'll be doing a call option sell. So let's say, let's take an example. Let's do 25,300. Let me pull up 25,300 chart here in this window, right? So currently it's trading at around 43, right? So let's do one thing. This is what it's predicting, right? So let's again take a snap and ask for at what time we can enter and what is the probability, because like as per the prediction, the downside is highest probability, right? So which means I want to go for downside momentum, which is like a call option sell side, right? So now let's ask again the dyno trade, analyze this chart and come up with a probability, or come up with the entry exit criteria, right? Let's take only a snap of this one, right? So okay, so here uh, I want to do intraday option. So please analyze and come up with entry, stop, and target, right? Okay, let's put it. And you see, this is the only chart because the overall trend it says is downward. So I'm just going to ask our AI to analyze this chart and specify the entry exit criteria. Right? Let's wait for some time. It will give us analysis. Okay. So here, if you see the entry point, entry near 43, and the stop loss should be around 44.65, and then the target should be around 41, which is like 1:2 percentage, right? So right now it's at 45 because it says like the trend is like right now it's an uptrend, right? Like it has to wait. It should come below this VWAP area, right? That's what it is predicting properly, right? So it breaks below, right? So that's what it's predicting here, right? So if you see here, so this area, right? So this area is what it's saying. Like once it comes here, then you start selling it, right? So this area. So right now it's here, it's telling it's above this VWAP. So wait near this 43 area, and then you start selling it, right? So let's wait for some time, and then like if it not crosses, we will just leave it. If it crosses, then we will just sell it. So one other thing what we can look is like it also said uh, um, high chance it's going downside, but upside also 40%, right? So you see here the chart it says is like it's kind of like above VWAP. If you still want to take an entry, what I would do, I'll just take a risk of this one, right? So I can take a sell entry here. We'll again ask our DynoTrade to analyze this put option chart, right? So analyze this. I'll copy the complete text what I have sent. Okay. This is for the put option, right? Let's ask them again. It will analyze if I, okay. So you see here, this is chart attached. Send it. Yeah, let's wait for some time. Yeah. So it has given indicates bearish. So entry point consider breaks below 100, right? So that's what it's saying. So yeah, now it's currently trading at 99. Let's take an entry here. So I just sold it at this market price 99. I just dragged it here, this line, right? And the SL it says market analysis stop loss is around 105 mark, right? So let's mark this 105, right? Let's put, where is this? Yeah, we can put our SL around this area, right? So, okay, so this is the area which I put a stop loss. Let's remove this line, I'll put properly. So 105.65, right? So this is the area where I put a stop, right? Let's see where it's end up. So technically speaking, 5.65 is a stop loss. I mean, 1 is to 10 we should target. So around 99 we took an entry. Somewhere around 89, 88 we should target to book our profit, right? So this is what we'll plan for this trade. Uh, let's wait for some time. I'll keep you posted. What's the status? So 950 we entered. 950 at this candle we entered. Maybe I'll mark it so that it will be clear. SL, okay, and target and entry. Okay, so entered here, SL is here, and my target is here. Okay, so this is a candle. Let's wait and watch what's happening. Yeah. Okay, as you see here, as AI predicted properly, after our entry at 91, it did not go above or near to our SL. It dragged all the way down to, if you see here, it's all the way down to 88, which is just 0.05 paise. It just missed out to hit the target. Properly, I mean, in this case, we should have adjusted our SL, but either the case, right? So if you see here, as A predicted, it came down all the way till our target, and then it went back and then hit the SL, right? So the takeaway from this is like, whenever it reaches 1:1 target, aggressively trail the SL. But yeah, I mean, the overall objective of this AI is to predict it properly, and then we can see whether we are able to make consistent profit or not, right? So this is a target one. I would say we made a profit here, but let's see about our next video. Is there any other trend which AI is predicting? We can take our entry, right? Thank you. Bye bye.